Alright, first we will start with the side cover. Now we need to remove the two Phillips screws. Next thing, you'd remove the harness from the hazard switch and move the panel out of the way. We need to disconnect a few of the harnesses because we will need to get the radio out. $10mm. All right, and now let's go over the connections. We're going to be connecting one harness at the radio. So let's do the radio harness first. So slide out the radio. We just need to remove the power harness. Connect the NAViKS harness, mated with the original connector. All right, let's put the radio down and then we'll work on the screen. All right, behind the screen we'll be making two connections. All right. So the screen just has, okay. All right, so take the original video cable they used to go and slide it to the right because we're gonna hide the units right there above the glove box. There's a nice big space in this vehicle. We'll snake the new wire, the new video cable that we provide. They'll go to the screen now. All right, now let's do the power plug for the screen. All right, let's make connections to the NAViKS unit. All right, the original cable goes to LCD in. The cable we provided goes to LCD out. All right, you have the power cable. Then you have the HDMI cable. All right, both units. And you have the second NAViKS box. And then we already ran the power cable. All right, like I said, right now it's exposed, but both the units will actually go right here in the space. All right, now you can start the car and test the units. If you have any questions during installation, make sure to reach out to us. We're available Monday through Saturday. We will help you on a phone call or video call. So please don't hesitate to contact us. Thank you for watching.